Hello, welcome to my channel. I have a big problem. I usually put my bananas and a lot of fruits outside, and lately there's a lot of fruit flies all over the house. And I'm gonna do some experiment right here. I got the four products right here. The first one is apple cider. Uh, Second one is rice vinegar, and the third one is the white vinegar, and then the last one is a rotten banana. And I have four pill bottle right here. I'm gonna put each of this product in, and I'm gonna test it out and put in my house all these four bottles, and to see which product uh, can trap, the most fruit flies. So most people recommend that you use apple cider because of the strong smell, but I'm gonna use, but I'm gonna try the rice vinegar that also has strong smell, and the white vinegar and the banana. When I put each of this product into the bottle, I'm gonna put a couple drop of this Dawn dish soap in each one of them. First thing you need to do to remove the cap from the bottle. The first one is apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna put about half of it in here. Okay, that's good. Then the second one is rice vinegar, half of that. That's good. The third one is the white vinegar. This is 5% white vinegar. And the last one is a rotten banana. Look at it. I know flies like fruit flies, they like rotten fruit. So I'm gonna put a little bit here. I'm put a couple drop of Dawn dish soap, couple drop of that. I'm not gonna put any in banana. I have a chopstick right here. Gonna mix it up. Okay. I have some sandwich bag right here. This is a sandwich bag. I'm not gonna use the cap, the bottle cap. I'm gonna use this right here, like that. I have some rubber band. I'm gonna put rubber band on the top. I'm gonna use chopstick right here. Poke a hole right in the middle, so the fly can go in, but they can't get out. Right, so each got a hole on the top, right there. I'm gonna mark it with a marker. Apple cider vinegar, I'm gonna put it ACV. Okay, apple cider vinegar. Rice vinegar gonna be RV. White vinegar WV, and B for banana. Okay, now I'm gonna take it into the house and put it by the stand where I put all, by the basket where I put all my fruits, and see which one it is gonna, which one it trap the most fruit flies. So we're gonna find out. We can just leave it for at least 24 hours, and after 24 hours, let's find out which one trapped the most fly. Which you can see right here, the fruit, the rotten banana one got a lot of flies in there. And I'm gonna take them outside and show to you which one, which of this worked the best. So after 24 hours, let's check our experiment right here. So which one of this trapped the most fruit flies? It's apple cider vinegar, and see how many we catch here. Look at the bottom. As you can see, quite a lot of them right here. You see the bottom, a lot. I would say around probably, my estimate right here, probably 30, maybe 25, 30 in there. Okay, the next one would be the rice vinegar. Let's see how many does it have in there. Not many. You can see maybe, I count, let's see, if you look carefully, 1, 2, 3. So I count 3 of them in there. Okay, 3. The next one we have here is the white vinegar. See how many does it catch. Actually 1. So 1 right there. There's 1 right there. And look at this. This is a raw banana right here. Look at the top one. Look at the fruit flies in there. So many of them in there. But the only bad part about this method is that the fruit fly will able to get in and out of the bottle. So which one is the winner right here? So the winner is right here will be the banana. That's number 1, and number 2 is the apple cider vinegar, and the third one would be the third one would be rice vinegar, and the last one would be the white vinegar. So which one would I recommend? I think I would recommend this one right here, because the apple cider vinegar. I recommend that one